Now, Omaha Everyday.
Hi, everybody. I'm Dave Weber. This is Omaha Everyday. Today we are talking with George Langabeer, owner of SilverHammer Surveillance. Good to have you back.
Good to see you again.
First time we spoke about home security and how important it is and the things people can do to make their home more secure. We're going to add business security now, and I know you have a lot of experience in that area.
Yeah, I was a loss prevention manager at a local retailer here in Omaha for 15 years, so I used to use surveillance equipment to catch shoplifters and
All
stuff.
surveillance equipment, things people don't even realize are watching.
Yeah, I caught 1,252 bad guys and bad ladies. But yeah, so I kind of been in the trenches with this stuff.
So when you set up security for a business, say there are business owners out there watching, maybe the top three things you try to concentrate on?
Well, the thing about cameras is it's not just good for security, but it's also good for productivity, and it's also good for safety. You can, one recorded incident of a safety accident the system can pay for itself because you can prove in court that whatever the person said happened didn't happen. Same thing with productivity. Nowadays everybody likes to text all the time, and that's a big deal with your employees not doing what they're supposed to be doing.
Losing work time.
But on camera, you can see them doing that. You can stop it, nip it right in the bud.
And theft, obviously.
Obviously theft, that's the big thing. So security obviously being number one, but there's a lot of different things you can use it for in the business realm.
We talked about how deeply you want to go in private home security. The same thing for businesses, I would imagine,
right.
too.
Yeah, you can do perimeter security, you can do interior security, security systems, surveillance systems. We have smart devices that aren't just good for houses, they also work for businesses as well.
And check your website for more information.
SilverHammerSurveillance.com.
You got it. Thanks, George.
Thank you, sir.
Very much. That's Omaha Every Day. I'm Dave Weber. Thank you so much for watching.